This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. It is November 26, 2018. This one here, I got a call from a guy with a couple of gas boilers in his tenement house. I've worked for this guy before. He says that his pilot was out. He put the pilot on. He's still got no heat on the second floor. Now this guy's more like an accountant. I mean, he doesn't know anything about heating systems. So I'm going over there. Maybe he's got a bad circulator there, or the water feeder's stuck and not getting water upstairs. It's on the second floor. But anyway, I'm supposed to meet him over there now. And I used to work for his mother, and his mother passed. Now I do stuff for him. I replaced some cast iron pipe in the closet for him a while back, going up to the second floor. The cast iron pipe was all rotted, cut it out. I don't know if I put plastic in there or not, but I think I might have put cast iron back. No, I put plastic in there. That's what it was. It was in a closet in like an entranceway. 2-inch pipe going up to the kitchen sink was all rotted. I replaced it. He's quite the character, this guy. Kind of got a funny laugh to him and stuff, so he's a good guy. We'll go over there and see if we could get his heat working for him. He's gonna turn on the heat. First floor. It's first floor. We got water pressure. Maybe the pilot's out. Fucking pilot's out. It's been a couple of years since I placed thermal couple. It was a couple of years ago. Yeah, it looks cooked. We gotta get another one. Yeah, it looks like the pilot's out again. Did you light it?
We tried to.
You couldn't light it? It looks a little cooked. I'll change the thermocouple. It's probably all it is. So we'll just change that thermocouple. See, it was out. You tried lighting it, but you couldn't do it?
No, couldn't do it. It wouldn't hold.
Alright, we'll turn this to pilot.
I know you had to replace it about 3 years ago, so it's usually not that long to last.
Yeah, they only last so long, right? Then you got issues.
Went out after that very cold day, you know.
It's just getting cooked, I mean.
Yeah.
Wow. So thing's loose as a goose. Yeah, have to put a whole new one in there. It looks like it's just maybe been getting cooked. is loose too. Oh, that's really loose. How long's your mother been gone now?
My mother's been gone since 2005, so it is now 13 years.
Holy cow. I mean, just flipping crazy how time goes by, huh?
Yeah.
Chase?
Hey, you died a couple of years ago? Oh, Chase?
The neighbor.
Yeah, that's how we got the right. He's the one who recommended you to us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But he was pretty old. He was pretty up there. He was in his 80s.
Is his kid still around?
No, he passed away before the father did.
Really?
Yeah, well, his son had whatever syndrome, Guillain-Barré or something like that.
I don't know what he had, but just sad, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, his dad gave one of his kidneys to him and everything. It was,
Really?
yeah.
He seemed like a normal guy. It was just that he was kind of old to be home type of thing.
Yeah, well, he was, yeah.
That's what I thought. I thought he
Yeah.
was.
He was in his 50s or so. He was.
He looked normal, and I mean, I just said, boy, it's kind of odd for him to be home with his father still, you know?
Well, he really wasn't that normal. It's a little odd, but.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I knew we got to know him pretty well. All of them pretty well. So. But.
All right. Let's see if we can light it. So it wouldn't stay on the pilot. How long did you hold the button down for?
For like a few minutes.
And it still wouldn't stay on. Yeah, it was probably just cooked. They don't make them like they used to.
No.
Could be the gas valve's bad. We'll have to see. This one's non-adjustable. It's non-adjustable. Let's see what's the number on that sucker. I could put a different gas valve in there if I had to. I got them in the truck, so. See, we'll give it a minute and see if it stays on.
Yeah.
Alright, pilot's staying on now. We'll cover back on and we'll fire it up. You see my little dog in the truck? No.
No, I didn't see him. No, what kind is he?
She's a little long-haired Chihuahua.
Oh yeah.
She's a good little dog. I mean, cute as a button.
Yeah. Keeps you company.
A two-stage valve. You just come on.
I hear it. Yeah, this never went this far.
You come on low and then fire it up, and it's non-adjustable, which is not the greatest. Well, it is what it is. Now you got a carbon monoxide detector down here?
Not down here. I have one in my first floor apartment. Should I?
You should really need one here.
Okay.
It's kind of weird that they're a vent.
You smell something?
Well, I just want to make sure it's gonna vent. You know, I don't want
right, yeah.
I don't want it rolling out on me. Yeah, it's going up. Kind of a weird. Very weird. Yeah, it's venting. At first it was rolling out a little bit. But you should have a carbon monoxide detector down here. I'm surprised you don't with all these appliances. You don't have one?
Not right now, I need to put one out.
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea, guy. You know?
Okay, yeah. Put one in the apartments, but...
Well, I like to see one down here.
Yeah.
You know, somewhere close. Is there any water around here you can mount it to?
Well, I have some mountings for the air fire over there.
Maybe right at the bottom of the stairs there would
Yeah,
be okay.
yeah.
You know, one of those,
Yeah.
even if it's a battery operated one.
Yep.
By law, you're supposed to have them.
Yeah, yeah.
You could even get the kind that go in the ceiling. You know,
Yep.
mount it on the wood or whatever.
Well, I got a mount over there. I just need to get it back up and get it back up.
It's going to be a carbon
Carbon
monoxide.
Yeah.
Alright, it's been 2 years. No thermocouple. Last time I was here, I reset the pilot. Alright, it's running.
Good, good.
Make sure the feeder's not stuck. Feeder was stuck too. You got old cast iron radiators upstairs, right?
I think so, yeah.
You know how to bleed them?
I'm not too sure. I have had little bubbles. I'm not too sure what I'm doing on that.
That one's alright. You should be alright. You got little bleeders on the side. If you got to bleed, just bleed them. Open the bleeders up. You got the key for it? No?
I don't know. I'm not sure. We tried that one time when my mother was around, and it was just pouring water over the place. So
Well, that's the thing. Once the water comes out, you shut it off.
Yeah.
You open it.
Yeah.
If there's any air, you let the air out. When the water comes off, you shut it off. It's done.
Yeah.
You want me to check them?
Yeah. Well, I guess we might as well.
Yeah, something lighter than this. Something small, guy. I mean, I don't need to be carrying a bucket around. I mean, a little tiny plastic, you know, just to catch the water. You know, like a little plastic square one or something. Something small.
Like this?
Something small.
Something small.
Like something you'd put food in the refrigerator.
All right. Bowl.
A plastic, something plastic. Yeah, something small. Either that or a small cup, plastic cup. Something to catch the water.
Will this be all right? It's a little bit.
Yeah, that's
ceramic,
fine, I
but-
guess.
You can use plastic.
Yeah, it's full of air. It's full of air. That's why you're hearing the gurgling. The feeder was stuck downstairs. You just open it with a screwdriver and the water comes out, you shut it off.
Okay.
That's all you gotta do.
Probably.
Is there anyone in here? No. I don't see any in here. Is it? Oh, it's at the baseboard. Yeah, it's probably right there. Is it right there?
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
That one makes a little bit.
You need a flipping maid here, guy. Oh? Let's see, there's not a lot in there.
No. The rest of them seem to be okay. I'm going to check the rest of myself.
All right. Well, you know how to do it, right?
Yeah, I've seen. It makes a little more sense now. When I did a few years ago with this water, like I don't know
Yeah, that's the thing. You want water coming out. If there's air, you just bleed it until the water comes out, and you're good.
You just go to the next one and then
Yeah, just do it with a screwdriver. All right, let me get you a slip. Look at this, Miss Molly. That's my buddy, Miss Molly. What's going on here? Oh, you waiting for me? Are you waiting for me? You want a sandwich? You want a snack? Oh, I know you do. Yeah, you want a snack. You want a sandwich?